Hey again everyone. In this video I share a recipe for a Squalane face cream. You have the written formula with more information and alternatives on the website. Squalane has excellent hydrating benefits that help keep the skin moist by preventing water loss. Since it's light and doesn't block pores, it works well for every skin type, even if your skin is oily or prone to breakouts. It softens the skin, enhancing its texture and giving it a smoother look. Over time, Squalane's ability to hydrate the skin may also help lessen wrinkles and fine lines. If you want to read more about Squalane, you can find more information and links in the written post. I start with phase A, the water phase. I use 0.3 grams of xanthan gum with 3 grams of glycerin. I mix the gum with the glycerin to create a slurry. When the gum and glycerin were combined, I added 63.5 grams of rose hydrosol. You can use distilled water instead of the hydrosol. I mixed the hydrosol and the slurry before adding the emulsifier. In this formula, I added the emulsifier to the water phase. The emulsifier I use for this face cream is sucrose stearate. I use 4 grams of it. In the written post, you can find alternatives to the ingredients and more information on each ingredient. Sucrose stearate is a natural ingredient derived from a combination of sugar and stearic acid. Sucrose stearate has conditioning properties. It is a gentle emulsifier that can also be used for sensitive skin. This emulsifier also creates silky and smooth emulsions. For now, the sucrose stearate will not dissolve in the water phase. After heating the water phase, sucrose stearate will disperse and form a thick gel consistency. In the oil phase, I combined 3 grams of avocado oil, 6 grams of hibiscus oil, and 4 grams of plum kernel oil. You can find alternatives to these oils in the written post. Next, in the oil phase, I added 2 grams of fluid lecithin. Fluid lecithin is a mixture that has a lighter texture than regular lecithin. Fluid lecithin's non-greasy, lightweight characteristics make it suitable for all skin types, including oily and acne-prone ones. You can use regular lecithin instead. Lastly, in the oil phase, I added 3 grams of cetyl alcohol. I placed the water and oil phases into a double boiler for 25 minutes on medium heat. While the water and oil phases were heating, I prepared the other phases. In phase C, I added 0.2 grams of vitamin E and 5 grams of squalane. In this formula, I use 5% of squalane. Commercial brands describe a Squalane face cream as a hydrating, lightweight product that leaves the skin softer and smoother with long-lasting hydration due to the key ingredient, squalane. If you want to read more about squalane, I added links and more information on this ingredient in the written post. In phase D, I added 1 gram of rose extract, 1 gram of calendula extract, 3 grams of willow bark extract, and 1 gram of preservative. You can replace these extracts with others. After removing phases A, the water phase, and B, the oil phase from the heat, I combined them. Once the temperature was below 40 degrees Celsius, I added the other phases and mixed to combine them. I checked the pH, which was a bit high, so I used a lactic acid solution to lower it until I reached a pH of around 5.5. This face cream is light and fast absorbing, moisturizing but not greasy. Its texture is smooth and very velvety and sleek. The emulsifier I use, sucrose stearate, helps to achieve this velvety lightweight texture. On the website, you have more information and a calculator to change the amount you want to make.